Protecting my peace for so long, a little too good, now I'm solo. Watching reruns of the same shows. Almost every party I'm a no-show. Even with green lights I don't go. Never been sure, no I don't know. How does everybody has to let go of the ego?
Hello everyone, welcome back to Glam Designs by Anne. It's your girl Anne and I'm back today with another video. I hope your day is off to an amazing start and I hope you guys are having an amazing day so far. So guys, in today's video, I want to bring a little bit more spring into the dining room, and I'm also going to refresh my island and bring in a little bit more spring. It's been really cold. It's like winter. I'm kind of tired of the weather and I just want that spring feeling. So I'm gonna bring some more of that spring feeling and spring vibe into my home. So I'm gonna create a arrangement for my dining room table. We're going to restyle. So like I was saying guys, I'm refreshing my dining room area. I've removed my tablescape that I shared with you guys for like Valentine's. And I've mopped and swept my floors off camera. I did that like a day or two ago. I've dusted and cleaned this area already, but when we get more deep into like March, maybe the middle of March or so, that's when I usually start a lot of my spring cleaning and recording and sharing with you guys. So I'll be doing more of a deep spring cleaning coming up in another week or so. In about 2 weeks or so, I should say. But for the most part, in here is clean. And like I said, I'm gonna create a nice, beautiful flower arrangement to bring in a little bit more of that spring vibe and spring feeling here in the dining room. And we're gonna restyle my credenza. Before I start doing any decorating in the dining room, I'm just gonna share with you guys some of the greenery stems that I have here. Some have white flowers on them and some have olive buds. So these are like small hydrangeas. They're really cute and they'll make a really nice spring arrangement here in my home. So I have 4 of these. I don't really remember where I got these from. It could have been Michael's, guys. I'm not 100% sure, but I've had them for a very long time, to the point where these are falling off. They're really long, so I've used them since I've purchased them. I've been using them on and off. Like I said, I really like them. So the stems are really long on this one, so I've just cut them down. I'm not cut them down, I've bent them. And then I have these eucalyptus stems. I think I got these maybe over a year ago from Amazon, like 3 sets of them, because I really love eucalyptus stems, especially these ones. You can manipulate the stems, you know, and have them like cascading and draping to the side of your vases. You can have them upright because the stems are really flexible. And if you want to create a really full arrangement with these, you can use like the full 6 branches that I ordered. They come 6 in a pack from Amazon. And then I have these. I have a few of these. Nice fresh pop of white for the spring season to freshen, give the place a really nice fresh look, along with some greenery. And then they have little buds. I also have these type of eucalyptus stem. It's a little different from the one that I just showed you. I have that, and then I have 2 sets of these olive branches. These ones have kind of a olive green, but it looks black on camera, so I kind of like that sort of two-tone. It brings in a little pop of my black, the contrast that I like with my black and white. And then I have these. Also, I have this nice sand plus fog candle. It's Island Dragon Fruit scent, and I like the cover because it brings in a little bit of that spring vibe here with these flowers on it. brings in those nice extra touch of color that coordinates and goes really nicely with all of my greenery and the decor that I'm using. And I have this cute little bunny that I got, I think I got this sometime in February. I don't remember, but this one was $12.99. I think I shared it with you guys in a video. And then I've had this one for a while. I think these two together look really cute. This one has a really nice texture on it, and then the eyes are some cute little black beads. So they look really cute together, so I think that's gonna look really nice. And then I have this that I got from Winners. I think it was $19.99. I'm not really sure, but I did haul it in a couple previous videos. I have this black vessel or vase. This one is $29.99 from Winners. I really love these guys. I love the texture, and I just love the modern and the way it's made with the two handles. It's very unique. I have this cute sort of farmhouse tray. This is from Amazon. I think it was like 19 something. It has a little bit of brown in the background, but it will still go with my decor. And then I have this, used to be white, painted it black. I'll be using that. I won't be setting up like a big, I won't be using that big black round tray that I normally use here. I'm going for a different look, but you guys will see what I mean when we start creating our little spring vignette here on the kitchen island. So let's get started and see how things turn out, guys. So guys, I've turned my camera, I think vertical. It's in a vertical position, I think. I'm not really sure, man. I'm confused. But anyways, I've turned it the other way because sometimes I like to record for social media as well. So I'm going to be using my Winners Find, which is sort of like a CB2 Crate and Barrel Pottery Barn type of dupe. Really, like I said, I love this. So I'm going to be using these 4 small eucalyptus, these small hydrangeas. And I'm going to be using maybe 2 or 3 of these because I only have 4 here. And they've already sort of been played around with and manipulated, because I had them in a different vase, and I decided that I could pair the eucalyptus with the hydrangeas. I think together they look really nice. So that is what we're gonna go ahead and do, guys. So I want this to sort of cascade and hang to the side, and then to fill in like the middle part of the vase, guys, I'm going to just let the shorter stems fill the top part of the vase, okay? So I finished making my flower arrangement for the center of my dining room table, but I'm going to reveal what it looks like at the ending. I won't show you guys right now. So I'm just going to use my method all purpose. It's almost done. Just wipe this area down a little. Moving on to my centerpiece and vignette that I'll be creating for my kitchen counter. I'm going to start off with this black vase, and I'm going to be using these thicker leaf eucalyptus branches. I've placed a rubber band around them, but you won't see the red because it's going inside of here. And I'm gonna cascade my eucalyptus stems down the side of my vase, just to give the arrangement a different look, guys. The cascading effect with your flowers or your stems, once they're bendable, that looks really nice. It gives your arrangement a nice unique look instead of always putting it the same way all the time. And I'm gonna use my olive stems to fill in, as a filler, to fill in the empty spaces. The branches on these are similar in color to the eucalyptus. Well guys, before I close out the video, I'm just gonna share with you and let you know I love how the vignette turned out. I have two different looks for this particular vase, but I didn't share it in the styling, but you guys will see it. I'll insert it right after this particular clip, but this is how it turned out, and let me know which version you like better, this one or the second one that I'm about to show you. But I did add my candle accessories, and if you guys don't have a USB candle lighter, check Amazon out, guys. Get yourself one. Lighters are sold yesterday. They are too cost effective because you have to keep buying them and buying them. This one charges with a USB. I added my little candle wick cutter because I love having my candle accessories either on my kitchen island or my coffee table, where my lighter is accessible to light my candles, because I love to start my day with my candle lit in the mornings. I usually light one upstairs and then one down here, and then another one close to the entryway and washroom area. So yeah, this is how this vignette turned out. Really love it. I'm gonna insert, like I said, a second one, and let me guys know which one you prefer. I like both of them, but I also sort of maybe like the second one I'm about to show you a little bit better. Okay guys, let me know. So I also wanted to show you guys a different look for my black vase. I have these two picks here. They're ferns, and they also look really, really nice. Just gonna like bend some of them a little. This also looks really, really nice in this vase as well, along with my flowers over here. The greenery goes really nicely with the little green stems, the green leaves that is attached to these flowers. So that's a nice look as well. The first look I shared with you guys was the eucalyptus branches and the olive branches, but I think this one looks nice as well. Anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Which look should I go with? This one, or should I go with the eucalyptus stems and the olive branches? I don't know, I kind of like that, but let me know your thoughts. So for my dining room, guys, I really love how it turned out. Normally, I always do like a little table setting, but today I'm leaving it as is because I want this beautiful arrangement that I created to stand out. And as we get closer to like the spring weather, I'm definitely going to come back and share a beautiful tablescape with you guys. But look how beautiful the arrangement turned out just by adding these 4 branches of hydrangeas and about 3 branches of eucalyptus stems, and cascading some of the branches to the side and stuff like that. It really gives the arrangement a really nice full look, and I love how it turned out. And then I just added this cute little smaller version of this, but this is in a different texture. And I just added 2 little baby breaths to this. And yeah, I just love how this looks. Really pretty and very spring-like. I just love how that turned out. Let me know your thoughts, guys. And over here, I love how this looks as well. I added my 2 candle holders. I got those from Winners over a year ago, and they were silver, and I painted them, spray painted them black. My lamps are from Winners. If you're new, the mirrored wall art, that is from Wayfair. Credenza I've had for like 2 decades now. It's part of another dining room table that I used to have. But I switched things around a little bit here, and I added a lot more black because this clear piece here acts as like a white accent in this area. I added the Chanel book, took it off of the book stand. And this brings in a little bit of that pop of white here as well to give it a nice fresh look with all of the black contrast and the greenery. These I had styled originally for the winter on my kitchen island, and I just switched it and brought it in here. Gives it a new and fresh look over in this side, and I just added those bigger moss balls that I got from Amazon in a pack of 6 over there. And this is my dining room refreshed for the spring season. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Well guys, thank you so much for tuning in today. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope I was able to bring you guys some spring inspiration for your own decorating and a little bit of motivation. If you're in a funk like me and it's cold where you are, this is a great way to bring some liveliness into your space. Just create some beautiful flower arrangements, refurbish flowers and greenery that you already have in your home, and just create something really nice for your space, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I love you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, guys. Double tap your post notification bell twice. That way you'll get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have a beautiful and blessed weekend, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.
Protecting my peace for so long, a little too good, now I'm so low. Watching reruns of the same shows. Almost every party I'm a no-show. Even with green lights I don't go. Never been sure.